program using mastercam for the component to be machined as shown in the sketch. So the sketch is this one, wherein you have a diameter of 30 and this has got the diameter of 100, the length of 100. So wherein you have the parameters here, which is M20, and we have the radius of 75, and this is the diameter 30. This is diameter 15, so radius is 15, and this is diameter 20. And so this is the actual dimensions of the component which has to be machined by using the mastercam. So to do that, first we will go to for the mastercam software, click on machine type. So since I want to do the lathe, so I'm going to select lathe and click on default. Then go to, first we need to create the drawing. So first we'll go for line command, select 0, 0, 0 and enter. So now we are going to get this, and now we are going to draw from here, which is of 10 mm, M20. So I'm going to take 10 mm and the angle is 90 degrees. So once you get this, then from here you draw a horizontal line, then again go to X form, offset, so the length of this. So now we want to take the length should be 100. So since the length is to be 100, so go to offset, take the distance as 100, then click on this and offset it, and then go to fit. Then you extend this line till here. Once you get this, now we start from this end. So first we're going to take the diameter 30. So which means we're going to have X form, offset, take the distance as 50. So from here you offset it by 15 mm and then go to extend, select this line, extend till here. Then we have offset 15. So now I need to take this distance, which is 15. So then go to X form, take the offset distance as 15. Then select this and offset it. Then go to trim this line till here. Then we have an 5 mm width, 5 mm length and 15 mm diameter. So go to offset, X form, offset, take the distance as 5. So you take this distance as 5 and then you take 7.5, which is 15 mm diameter. So from here you are going to take this. So go to trim this line till here and trim this line till here. Then we have from here of a 15 mm length, then go to offset. So take the distance as 15. So from here you take offset distance as 15. Again, from here we have a taper. Again we have a diameter of 15. So that means offset 7.5. So from here you take 7.5. Then go to line, take endpoint of this, take a line, take endpoint of this and to intersection of this. Then go to erase, click on this and erase this line. So now once you go to this fit, so now you have this line. So then go to trim this line till here. Once you get this, now we have from here to here is offset 5. So go to offset, X form, offset, take the distance as 5. So then from here you select this. Again you take this distance as 20 mm. So go to offset, take the distance as 10. So from here you select this and go to extend. Then go to extend, select this line till here. Then once you do that, again from here you take 15 mm. So go to offset, X form, offset, select this line and offset by 15 mm. So once you get this, now we have now from here it is 15. So go to fit. So once you fit this, once you fit this, you don't have a line there. So go to X form, offset, take the distance as 7.5. So here you take this distance and go to trim. Go to trim. Trim this line till here. Sorry, trim this line. So go to trim. Trim this line till here. And then trim this line till here. Then once you get this, so from here you have 10. So to a distance of 15. And then we have a radius of this has to be 15. So again, go to create, go to circle. You can take this circle, sorry, arc by endpoint, create this by 3 points, or create arc by 3 points, or arc and endpoint. You take this endpoint, and from this endpoint, so what is the radius? The radius is to be, in this case, it is 15. So go to radius and type 15. So we'll go to get it on both the sides. So the one which has to be retained is this top portion. So which is the top portion is this. So it will going to be deleted. The rest of the things will going to be deleted. Then go to this and click on this and say erase. Erase. Once you get this, now it's offset. So we'll go for offset. I think it is 15 from here. Yes, so there was a mistake. So I will just go to this and say delete this line, this arc, and delete, and then go to erase. So delete this. Now we will go for arc by center and end. Take this end point and this end point. Take the radius as 15. So select this corner. So this will going to be the actual radius. From here you take offset distance as 5. So X form offset, take the distance as 5 and select this line and offset it. Then again from here there is a diameter of 15. So that means you are going to have 7.5. So go to X form, go to offset, take the distance as 7.5. You click on this and offset it. Then go to select, go to trim, click on this line, trim it this here, click on this, drill it here. Then once you get this, now we have the diameter which is 30. So go to X form, take offset, take the distance as 15. So you take this from here and then go to extend this line till here. And from there you have again X form, offset, take the distance as 15. So from here you take 15 mm and then go to this and then you take a radius of 7.5. So create, go to arc, take center and endpoints, take this endpoint and this endpoint and take the radius as 15 or 7.5, which is 7.5. So you take 7.5 here, type 7.5. So I want to retain this portion, so go to trim, so go to arc by center end, take the arc command, take this endpoint and this endpoint, take the radius as 7.5. So then close it. Now we need to go to trim. Go to arc, take this endpoint and this endpoint, take the radius as 7.5. Then select an arc. So you just click on this, enter. Now, so go to delete. So click on this and delete it. So go to arc, select this endpoint and this endpoint and take the radius as 57.5. So then retain this portion, so it will be deleted now. Next, so you just go to erase, erase, delete this line. And then from here, again, you have an offset. So go to XForm, take the offset distance, which is 5 mm. You take 5 mm and offset this line till here. And again, go to offset, take the distance as 7.5, that is 50. So from here, you take this distance. Similarly, again, you take the distance as 20 and take 10. And then from here, you offset this and then go to accept. Then go to trim this line till here, and then trim this line till here. Similarly, you trim this line till here, and you trim this line till here. So trim this line till here. So this is the model what we need to create. Then we need to trim this line till here and this line till here. Again, we have this line till here and this line till here. Similarly, this line till here, this line till here, and this line till here. Then you delete this line totally. Once you get this, now we'll go for, so this is the model what we need to create. Now once you create this, then go to properties, click on files. Now click on tool settings, click on from material, then click on stock startup, then click on left spindle, enable left spindle, then go to properties. So go to mark from 2 points, then select the first point to define this arc and select the second point as this. Once you get this, then go to use margins and click on OD margin, which will going to be 2. OD margin is 2. Then the right margin is 15. Then left margin is 5. Then click on OK. Then click on proper left spindle, click on clamping method as OD1, go to from stock, grip length is 2 mm. Then click on the right tick. Then again click on the right tick. So this is how you will be able to generate this. Next, click on tool paths. Click on tool path, click on facing and click on OK. Then click on T01, rough 80 degrees. Click on feed rate mm per minute. And then click on face parameters. Click on entry rough step over. Enable the rough step over and give it as 0.5. And then right tick on this face parameter dialog box. Now the phasing operation will going to be completed. Once you get this, then we're going to go for click on tool path, click on rough, click on partial, click on weight. You click on this. So here it is going to be like this, and then click on this and then take to this. So then click on OK. Then click on rough parameters. Click on rough properties dialog box will appear. Click on rough parameters. So then change the depth of cut to 0.5 and click on right tick. So now it will going to take the first operation. Again, we'll click on tool path, click on finish. Again click on partial, click on weight. So click on this. So again click on this side, then take this and take this last line and then say OK. Then you take finish, click on T121, T121 or 121 or 1.8 OD finish. Then click on finish parameters. Click on finish parameters. Click on feed rate. Click on finish. Click on finish step over, which is 0.5. Click on tool parameters. Click on mm per minute. And this feed rate has to be 0.25. Then click on finish parameters. So rough step over is, and select the number of passes as 2. So click on tick mark. So now the secondary operation has been completed. Once you do this, then for grooving operation, click on toolpaths, click on groove, click on OK, click on partial weight. So here I need to create this. You just click on this, and click on this. Then say click on OK. Then click on the bottom horizontal line. Okay. Then click on T47, T47, W1.5, groove right narrow. Groove right narrow. Then click on groove rough parameters. Then click stock amount is 0, stock to leave x.2, stock to leave z.2. Click on groove finish parameters. Number of finish passes is 2. Finish step over as 0.5. So then click on stock to leave in x is 0, stock to leave in z 0. You just click on this. So it will going to complete this screwing operation. Then again, we have this portion which we need to do. So to do that, again, so click on toolpaths, click on groove, click on OK. So click on partial weight, click on this, click on this, click on this, accept. Again, you take this T41, T4147, T47. So we have this. Then click on rough parameters. Then click on rough parameters. Then click on stock amount is 0.2, stock to leave, this is 0. Then come down to groove finish parameters. Click on number of finish passes as 2. Click on finish step over as 0.5. And then stock clearance in X and Z is 0. Just you accept that. So now it will going to have this operation. Then we have this 3, 4, and this. So again go to XForm toolpaths, click on groove, click on OK, click on partial weight. So now you just click on this, OK. Then click on the same thing, whatever we have here. This is the grooving operation. So groove of parameters, stock amount in, so stick on stock clearance. Stock amount is 0. Then leave in X is 0.2, leave in Z is 0.2. Come groove finish parameters, step over is, this is, so this will going to be 0.5. So click on OK. So now the grooving operation has been taking place for this. Again, we want to have this now. So again, you just go to toolpaths, then come down to groove, click on OK, click on partial, click on weight. You select this, and select this. Click on accept. Then again, go to groove of parameters. So then your stock amount X is 0.2, Z is 0.2. So click on groove finish parameters. Number of passes is 2. And then finish step over as 0.5. Then stock in Z and stock in Z will be equal to 0. Then click on OK. Now the grooving operation is taking place here. Then again, we have one more grooving operation. Click on toolpaths, click on groove, click on groove, click on OK. Then click on partial, click on weight. So you click on this, and click on this. Then click on OK. Then you take a groove of parameters. So stock amount in X is 0, X.2, Z.2. So, and then stock to leave in Z. Then go to groove finish parameters. Number of passes is 2. Then finish step over as 0.5. So click on OK. Now the grooving operation will be done. Now once you do that, now we go for 4 places, toolpaths. Now plunge turn. Click on toolpaths, click on plunge. Click on toolpaths, click on plunge, run. Okay, then click on right tick. Then click on partial, click on weight. Change enable, click on the okay. So click on partial weight, okay. Then you just go to tool paths. Click on plunge turn. Click on right tick. Click on partial, click on weight. Click on this parameter. So this click on OK. Now we need to take T414 W 1.8 code. Click on print finish parameters. Click on select on OD groove center. OD groove center. Then click on plunge turn finish parameters. So here click on clearance. Stock clearance is 0.75. Tool deflection back off is 0.2. Stock to leave in X is 0. Stock to leave in Z is 0. And then right tick to clear the dialog box. So now the grooving operation has been, plunging operation is done. Now we go for tool paths. Click on threading. So go to thread. Click on T94. N4 or 0.05 OD thread right small. Then click on thread shape. Click on thread shape parameters. OD thread right small parameters. Then click on select from the table. Okay. Click on thread shape parameters. Click on thread shape parameters. Then click on select from table. Click on select from table. So then select basic measure is 20. So you come down to basic measure 20, lead is 1.5. So you click on this 1.5, major diameter is 20 and the minor diameter is 18.3760. Comment is fine. Click on right tick. Then click on right tick. So the thread will going to be done on this. So once you do that, now we go for generation of automatic codes. Once you click on this, then click on OK. Now we will going to get write 10. Click on OK. Okay. Now this will going to be the automatic generation of codes, wherein this will going to be fed to the computer or to the system. Then the system will going to turn these components. So once you get this, now we go for simulation. To go to the simulation, click on verified selected operations. Then click on you reduce the size. You just click on this. So now it's a phasing operation is taking place. So this is the phasing operation. So once you do the phasing operation, the next part will going to be so the turning of the external diameter. So the external diameter has been taking place. Then we have, so this is the nature and this is the grooving operation what it has been done. Then you have doing this grooving operation here. Then we have this radius formation. What we are doing here, the radius formation. Once you do this, we have a thread. We have a taper. So the machining of the taper along with the gut, and then you have a grooving operation. Then finally, it will going to reduce this. So now we have a sharp radius, and this will going to be the threading operation. So this will going to be the final solution for this particular model.